Hello, guys. Um, you can see it's raining a little bit. You can see the sky right here, right there. It's raining a lot. Well, it's gonna start raining in a little bit, because let me assure you, the rain. Just doing a little logging right there. Now, this is kind of a weak system, but you may hear those wind chimes because it's pretty windy, folks. Right there. Look at that. After having a rainless November, I have to say, thank you, dear Lord, for the rain. Oh, yeah. You can see right there some rain. You can see right there. The ground is wet. So let me tell you guys, after having our first year of drought, you could it's you could say it's a welcoming sight to see the rain come back. And I'm so happy to report it's a great time of year. Because let me tell you something, there's going to be snow in the mountains. Just want to say, stay dry wherever you may be. Stay dry, guys. You can hear the rain. Oh, and there's also a helicopter. Holy disciples. Right there. Right there. Right there, guys. Oh, sorry. Yes. It's raining, prójimos. Ooh, look at that. Welcome, rain. Wow. No. If it'll focus. There it goes. Woohoo! Once it gets little louder, I'll show you guys.